2005. Alternate property interests and personal property. Present, 138 Pebble Ridge, LN, West Palm Beach, FL 33411. DOB, April 23, 1996. U.S. citizen, ADA qualified individual with diagnosed psychogenic dysphonia, CPTSD, ADHD. Notice to PBSO and any first responders, open quote. This is a preemptive, good faith notice to all law enforcement and emergency responders. No threats, criminal activity, or violence are involved. This is a civil, familial, and trust-related matter involving potentially hostile parties with financial interests. I am seeking protection under the ADA and relevant federal rights as a skip person descendant and beneficiary of a 2010 GST-exempt estate trust. Close quote. Background and civil context. My name is Luis Guillermo Mora, Jr., born April 23, 1996 in Colombia. I was brought to the U.S. legally as a toddler, around age 3 to 4, by my father, Luis Guillermo Mora, Sr., who specifically purchased the home at 1338 Pebble Ridge Lane with the intention of raising me in a stable environment, away from the systemic violence and poverty of Santa Fe, Bogota, where we came from. He married my stepmother, Maria Belinda Mora, on January 28, 1996, 2 months before I was born, so that I would not be raised in a fragmented or institutionally neglectful environment. I grew up in that household with my 2 older stepsisters, who had their own rooms, just like I did. I have lived in Palm Beach County nearly my entire life, and am a U.S. citizen. My father passed away in 2022, and since then, a disturbing pattern of civil misconduct, intimidation, and marginalization has emerged, mostly driven by financially motivated actors within my extended family. Why I fear police reports may be abused against me. I have been directly warned by older half-brother from my father's first marriage that my older half-sibling, a high-income corporate attorney with significant debt, along with my stepmother and 2 stepsisters, allegedly want me homeless, discredited, or potentially deported, despite my U.S. citizenship. They appear to be acting to consolidate control of the Luis Guillermo Mora Jimenez Revocable Living Trust, Estain Feb. 2010, and potentially expunge my presence as a lawful skip person beneficiary, possibly to preserve their control over high-value homestead real estate and the financial instruments within the trust. I further allege that a potentially fraudulent or posthumous codicil or will may have been drafted. Trust property